CSE Project Learning Group, S. Tamilarasi, second year, VA Institute of Technology. Welcome for CSE Project Learning Group. Today I will talk about in this video for logical operator in Python operators. Logical operators are used to continue conditional statement. These are check the combine for any value, any two values, that is called as logical operator. This logical operator is two value combine, that is logical operator. First I am tell for what is logical operator. There are following logical operators supported by Python language. This logical operator divided three operators in Python programming language. First one is AND operator. Next one is OR operator. Final one is NOT operator. And next this operators symbols. That means AND operator have symbol and this example for this likewise. And next one is OR operator have symbol OR operators. And next this example is likewise this. And final one is NOT operator and have this symbol is NOT symbol, and example is A not B, likewise this. I am explain for step by step these three operators. First one is AND operator. If both of the operands are true, then condition become a true. This is a AND operator. And next one is a OR operator. If this is if any of the two operator are non-zero, then condition become true. This is a OR operator. And final one is a NOT operator. It is used to reverse the logic state of its operand. It is called as NOT operator. And explain for some example in Python IDLE interactive mode. This is an interactive mode in Python IDLE. I am start my example. First I am create two variable, that is A is equal to A is equal to true, and next variable is B is equal to false. You are writing true, you write true and false these keywords. You are must using for first letter capital and another letters for smallest. Not follow for these rules. You have taken some errors in Python. So your must using for first letter is true and false capital and another letter is small, and I am created for two values. And next I am check for AND operator. So I am type for A and B. I am check for this condition. So I am hit enter. It is a false. This AND condition show for what about tell this. If both operand are true, then condition become true. But these two value, one is true and another one is a false. So this result is a false. And next time check for this condition. These two variable are values true. What it is given result? I am check this. A is a true and next B is a true, and check for this A and B, and it is show for true only, it is show. I am hit enter. It is mostly for show true. Why not these two values are true? So this condition satisfy true. And next one is OR operator. This description is if any of the two operands are non-zero, that is not true, then condition become a true. Non-zero means true. I am check for this condition. So I am making two variable and values. One is true, another one is false. This operator, when the condition true now, this two or any any operand one is non-zero now. This condition satisfied for true. These two are false now. This condition satisfy false. I am check this condition. A or B. This must be show result is a true. These are two value. This one value is a true. So this condition satisfies for true. And next check for another condition. A is equal to false. First letter is F, false. And next another one is a false. And this condition satisfied for false. So I am check this condition. Or B, this is given for false. I am check for two values are true. A is equal to true and B is equal to true. This condition show result for only true. So this condition is plus operator likewise. And next one is this not operators. Description is used to reverse the logic state of its operand. That meaning is your value is true now. It is results show for false. That is this meaning. And I am show example this. A is equal to true. I am check for this. Not A. I am hit enter. It is show for false. Opposite of your operand in this conditions operator. I am check for next one. B is equal to false. And hit enter. Check for this condition. Not B. Hit enter. It is show for opposite value of true. And it is called as not operator. And check for next one. A is equal to true and B is equal to false. And check for not, check for this condition, not A and B. A and B is a show for must false, and but this operator show for true. So it is called as not operator. I am check for final one. Or operator, not A or B. A or B is show this result is true, but this not operator, it is reversed from the result only false. This show for false. This work is a not operator work. Thank you. This video is complete. My next video is a identity operator.